So yun, magandang araw po sa inyo, Miss April.
Hello.
My name is Pogi ng Canada.
Yeah.
Oo, talagang Canadian ang iyong hand grip. So, ano po yung ipinapakita nitong inyong mga arts?
Okay, so yung medium ko mixed media kasi. So it's yung paints ko that I use is acrylic, but the itong right there is yung plastic from yung vegetables at saka fruits na nets. Yung plastic nets na from the grocery. Yun yung ginagamit ko in all of my abstract works.
Lahat may net.
Lahat sila yung plastic na nets na
So,
imbes na tinatapon.
Bakit nyo po marami namang mga iba't ibang bagay, bakit po net yung gusto nyo?
Actually, nag-start kasi ako nung COVID na mag-paint. And during that time, naging interested ako in building textures with the painting. So, I was thinking, ano ba pwede kong gamitin? I wasn't really sure yet. And then one day, nagluluto lang, naghihiwa ng mga sibuyas ko.
Apa.
And then, instead of throwing the net out, I thought, bakit hindi nilang ito i-try kong ilagay?
Yes.
And so, that's when I decided to use it. And gusto ko yung texture na na-build niya. So, that's what I started.
So, ibig sabihin yung mga yung mga like for example yung parang itatapon na natin na i-turn nyo pa sa isang kapaki-pakinabang at nasa napakagandang art
Oh,
form.
salamat. Yeah.
So ano po ang by the way, ano po ulit ang tawag nga dito sa
So they're
art?
abstract pieces. So,
Abstract pieces.
Yeah.
So ito din po ba yung habang may tinitingnan ka is
Pwede, yeah. So it's
may mga na-imagine ka na
yung it's always up to the interpretation din ng mga na tumitingin, but for myself, meron din ako sarili kong interpretation for each of them or mga themes that I draw from as inspiration.
ito po ba parang lumalarawan din sa ating buhay?
Pwede. And
Pwede?
actually, some of these are a reflection of yung Filipino culture and yung life ko sa Philippines. So this piece is si Aniton Tabu. Yan yung yung Filipino na deity ng wind and rain. Yeah.
So parang nasa mukha siya, parang gano'n, may mukha
Hindi
siya.
mukha, yung parang yung feeling nung hangin, nung ulan.
Yung parang blow ng hangin na gano'n.
Yeah, yung parang yung feeling. I just want to capture movement, yung feelings.
So ito naman parang habagat din naman na may
Pwede rin kasi
Pwede din.
nanonood ka ba nung Studio Ghibli na yung si Hayao Miyazaki na anime?
Hindi ko siya
Hindi ka
papanood
familiar,
no.
But that's okay kasi it's based off of yung one movie, yung characters. It's the movie is called Spirited Away. Yung character si Chihiro, she undergoes a lot of growth and character searching. Yung kanyang yung just finding out who she is. Yung throughout the story. So there's also another character who helps her along the way and that's what inspired the colors.
Wow, ang dami naman pala kwento. Kasi kagaya ng mga iba kong na-interview ng mga artist, talagang sa bawat drawing nila, merong mga nakapaloob na mga istorya.
Yeah. And that's
Dito kasi pagka ako pinatingin mo naman, dito sa may banda na to, parang dragon eh.
Oh, so ito naman, yung title nito
Parang
is
dragon.
The Kraken at 613. Have you watched the Pirates of the Caribbean movie? Hindi rin.
Hindi rin.
It's okay.
It's
So
okay.
kasi kung pakikinggan mo yung soundtrack din ni Hans Zimmer, siya yung nag-compose kasi ng soundtrack ng Pirates of the Caribbean. Kung dun sa movie na yun, there's a part with the Kraken and if you listen to the soundtrack, yun din yung title nung piece is The Kraken. If you get to the 613 mark dun sa soundtrack na yun, that's the exact moment that this painting is based off of. So I just wanted to capture yung chaos, yung gulo, kumbaga, yung kasi hindi nyo papanood, I won't spoil it, but if watch it na lang.
So kapag may mga kababayan po tayo na gustong makabili ng ganitong klaseng mga painting ninyo, saan po kayo pwedeng makita or matagpuan?
Right now, we're at the White Avenue Art Walk, so we're gonna be here until Sunday. So Friday to Sunday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
So meron din po kayo na Facebook, Instagram?
I do have Facebook, April Angeles Art, and my Instagram is also April Angeles Art.
Ayan, so ito yon April Angeles Art. Yan. So maraming salamat po and then God bless you po.
Yeah, thank you
God
po.
bless you.
Maraming salamat.